Good morning, student. Today we will discuss some special integrals. Some special integrals. First, integration dx by x square minus a square. Second, dx by a square minus x square. Third, dx by a square plus x square. And fourth, dx by under root x square minus a square. And fifth, dx by under root a square minus x square. And sixth, dx by under root a square plus x square. Today we will discuss these four integrals. First one is dx by x square minus a square, dx by a square minus s square, dx by a square plus s square, dx by under root x square minus a square, dx by under root a square minus x square, and dx by a square plus x square. We will discuss these six integrals one by one. So first we solve first one, this one. How to integrate dx upon x square minus y square. That is it. I equal to integration 1 by x square minus a square into dx. Therefore, this expression can be written as x minus a nx plus a into dx. First of all, we factorize x square minus a square, x minus a, and x plus a. Again, write integration 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a into dx. This expression can be written as this one: 1 upon x minus a, 1 upon x minus a minus 1 upon x minus a. If you write this one, the numerator is 2a. So to balance this one, we have to write 1 upon 2a. इसको इस फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए जब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, देखो यहाँ रफ में जब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा x माइनस ए एक्स प्लस ए, यहाँ हो जाएगा x प्लस ए माइनस एक्स माइनस ए, ब्रैकेट में x प्लस ए माइनस एक्स प्लस ए अपॉन x माइनस ए एक्स प्लस ए, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो 2a अपॉन x माइनस ए एक्स प्लस ए. जब इस एक्सप्रेशन को इस फॉर्म लिखेंगे तो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो यह आ जाएगा कि न्यूमरेटर में 2a आया है, इसको बैलेंस कर देंगे 1 बाय 2a से डिवाइड कर देंगे, 1 बाय 2a डिवाइड कर देंगे तो यह फॉर्म आ जाएगा. अब यहाँ से सॉल्व करेंगे फिर. दैट इज 1 बाय 2a इंटीग्रेशन 1 upon x minus a into dx minus 1 upon x plus a into dx. 1 upon x minus a, 1 plus x into dx. So 1 upon 2a integration of this one log mod x minus a minus log mod x plus a plus c. We know the integration 1 upon x into dx to log mod x. तो जानते हैं कि 1 अपॉन एक्स और dx का जो इंटीग्रेशन होता है log mod x होता है, उस बेसिस पर ये दिस आता है यूजिंग द log फॉर्मूला. सो 1 अपॉन 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So finally integration of dx upon x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. ये फाइनल रिजल्ट आ गया. dx अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर का जो इंटीग्रेशन होगा 1 अपॉन 2a log x minus a x plus a. Take a giving example. Integrate 1 upon x square minus 9 into dx. अगर हमको दे देगा एग्जाम्पल में कि इंटीग्रेट 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस dx, उसको कैसे इंटीग्रेट करेंगे? तो इसको लिखेंगे इंटीग्रेशन 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर इंटू dx. So here we say that the value of a is 3. So 1 upon 2 into 3 into log mod x minus 3 upon x plus 3 plus c. So by using this formula we can integrate this one 1 upon x square minus dx कर देगा, तो हम इस तरह से इसको इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं इस फॉर्मूले का यूज कीजिए. फर्स्ट स्पेशल हो गया. सेकंड देखोगे सेकंड इंटीग्रेट 1 upon a square minus x square into dx. a square minus dx. So we write let I equal to 1 upon a minus x a plus x into dx. So integration 1 upon a plus x a minus x minus 1 upon a plus x a plus x minus a minus x into dx. a minus x a minus x a minus x a plus x. We solve this one. 1 upon a minus x minus 1 upon a plus x. If you take the LCM, so a minus x a plus x. So a plus x a minus x. So a minus x minus a plus x. Plus होगा. So a x has cancelled 2 जाएगा. So that is this one is plus. One way correction. 1 upon a minus x plus 1 upon a plus x dx. Like this. So 2a upon a minus x a plus x. So divide this one by 2a. So 1 upon 2a डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो इससे सॉल्व होगा. यहां देखोगे 1 upon 2a इंटीग्रेशन 1 upon a minus x into dx plus इंटीग्रेशन 1 upon a plus x into dx. हमारे यहाँ ये प्लस आएगा जिसमें से अगर इंडिकेट करेंगे ये सो 1/2a इंडिकेशन हो जाएगा लॉग mod e minus x upon -1. Since x is negative, we have to divide by -1 plus log mod e plus x plus c. So 1/2a log mod e plus x, we write this one first, minus log mod e minus x plus c. So 1/2a log mod e plus x by e minus x plus c. So integration 1/a square minus x square into dx. अगर कोई इस फॉर्म में रहेगा तो हम ये निकालेंगे 1/a square minus x square. एग्जाम्पल देखोगे एग्जाम्पल सेकंड, इंडिकेट 1/4 minus x square into dx. अगर इंडिकेट 1/, तो करेंगे वहां से इंडिकेट 1/2 square minus x square into dx. So here we compare that the value of a is 2. So 1/2 into 2 into log 2 plus x upon 2 minus x plus c. अगर हमको इस तरह का इंटीग्रेट करना है 1/4 minus x और dx को, तो इस वजह से इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. ये सेकंड एग्जाम्पल हो गया. थर्ड, इंटीग्रेट 1/a square plus x square dx और इंटीग्रेट 1/x square plus a square into dx. 1/a square plus x square into dx और 1/x square plus a square into dx. Both are the same. So we integrate, relate I equal to 1/a square plus x square into dx. We indicate this one by using the substitution formula. So putting x equal to a tan theta, x जगह a tan theta पुट करेंगे. तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग with respect to x या with respect to theta. So dx by d theta equal to a sec square theta. Differential of tan theta is sec square. So dx equal to a sec square theta into d theta. So I equal to integration 1/a square. So this means that 1/a square plus in place of x we have to write a tan theta. That is a tan theta whole square. And the value of dx equal to a sec square theta d theta. A sec square theta d theta. So integration 1 upon a square plus a square tan square theta into a sec square theta into d theta. So taking common 1 by a square, so 1 plus tan square theta into a sec square theta into d theta. So if you integrate, proceed. So I equal to 1 upon a square sec square theta into a sec square theta into d theta. Cancel. So integration 1 by a d theta. So 1 by the integration of d theta into theta plus c. Putting the value of theta. Putting since x equal to a tan theta, therefore tan theta equal to x by a and theta equal to tan inverse x by a. So putting x equal to tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So integration 1 by a square plus x square into dx equal to this much. So finally we write integration 1 by a square plus x square into dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Example, integrate 1 upon x square plus 25 into dx. 1 upon x square plus 25 dx. How can you integrate this one? So integrate 1 by x square plus 5 square into dx. We compare this one here. The value of a is 5. So 1 upon 5 into tan inverse x by 5 plus c. So we see that by using this formula, how can you integrate this one? Next, very fourth. Integrate 1 upon under root a square plus a square minus x square into dx. Integrate 1 upon a square minus square dx. So let I equal to 1 by a square minus x square dx. We can integrate this one by using the substitution formula. So putting x equal to a sin theta. So differentiating with respect to theta. So dx by d theta equal to a cos theta. So dx equal to a cos theta into d theta. So I equal to integration 1 upon under root a square. The value of x is a sin theta, that is a square sin square theta. And the value of dx equal to a cos theta d theta. A cos theta d theta. So integration 1 upon taking common a square 1 minus sin square theta into a cos theta into d theta. So integration 1 upon under root a square 1 minus sin square into cos square theta. A cos theta d theta. The integration 1 upon a cos theta into a cos theta d theta. So integration that is d theta. That is I equal to theta plus c. Putting value of theta. Putting theta equal to sin inverse x by a. So I equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. So integration 1 upon under root a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Taking example, integration 1 upon under root 36 minus x square into dx. So 1 upon under root 6 square minus x square into dx. So if you compare this one, the value of a is 6. So this one is that is the sin inverse x by 6 plus c. Next that is fifth one. Fifth. Integrate 1 upon under root a square plus x square into dx. So putting here x equal to a tan theta. Earlier we have given, if they integrate in the form of x square plus a square, we have to put x equal to a tan theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, so dx by d theta equal to a sec square theta. So dx equal to a sec square theta into d theta. So I equal to integration 1 upon under root a square plus x. The value of x is 18 theta. So a square tan square theta. A square tan square theta into dx. A sec square theta into d theta. So I equal to 1 upon taking a square LCM. If you take a square, common LCM, common 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. So this one value is a sec theta into a sec square and d theta. So integration a cancel, cross out cancel. sec theta d theta. And we know that the integration of sec theta tan theta sec theta d theta equal to log mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c. So log mod, in place of theta we write under root 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta plus c. Putting the value of theta, tan theta, putting tan theta equal to x by a at x equal to a tan theta. So log mod 1 plus x square plus a square plus x by a plus c. So log mod a square plus x square by a square plus x by a plus c. So log mod under root a square plus a square by a plus x by a plus c. So log mod under root a square plus x square plus x upon a plus c. So log mod x plus under root a square plus x square minus log a plus c by using the property of log. So this one becomes the again integrated constant, that is log mod x plus under root a square plus x square plus c dash. So finally integration 1 upon under root a square plus x square into dx equal to log mod x plus under root a square plus x square plus c dash. Similarly, we can prove that integration 1 upon under root x square minus a square into dx equal to same आएगा, that is log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. This one is part 6. So in this way we can integrate the 6 special integrals. Next class we can solve the problem based on these special integrals. Thank you.